Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn the number system and the conversion of number system. There are four types of number system. Those are decimal number system, second one is binary number system. Third one is octal number system, and the fourth one is hexadecimal number system. So first of all, in the decimal number system, the numbers are composed of only 10 digits. Decimal means 10, so the numbers are composed of 10 digits. Those are 0 to 9. In binary system, the numbers are composed of only 2 digits, and those digits are 0 and 1. In octal, the numbers are composed or expressed by 8 digits, and these are 0 to 7. In hexadecimal, the numbers are expressed by 16 digits. Those are 0 to 9, then A, B, C, D, E and F. A means 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14 and F 15. These 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 are expressed by A, B, C, D, E and F. Base of decimal is 10, the base of binary is 2, the base of octal is 8 and the base of hexadecimal is 16. So we will learn today the conversion from decimal to binary, the conversion from decimal to octal, then last of all we will learn the conversion of decimal to hexadecimal. Let's take a number 50. It is a decimal number. So if we need to convert it to binary, then we will have to divide it by 2 because its base is 2. So then 25, the remainder is 0. Again we will divide this 25 by 2, then 12, the remainder is 1. Again 3, remainder is 0. Sorry, it is 6. Then 3, remainder is 0. Then 2, 1, remainder is 1. So here there is no scope of dividing 1 by 2. So we can say that the binary number of 50 is 110010. We will take this number reversely. 110010. This is the binary of 50. I am saying this again so that you can understand easily. So at first we will take the decimal number, then we will divide the decimal number with the base number. As the base of binary is 2, we will divide this 50 by 2 until we can't divide this anymore. Now we will convert this number 85 into octal number. So for this we will have to divide this decimal number by 8 because the base of octal number is 8. So now we will divide this 85 by 8. Then it is 10, the remainder is 5. Again we will divide this 10 by 8, then it is 1, the remainder is 2. we can't divide this 1 by 8 anymore, so the octal of 85 is 1 to 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 5. We will take this number reversely. Now we will take another number 95 and we will convert this number into hexadecimal. For this we will have to divide this number by 16 because the base of hexadecimal is 16. Then it is divided 5, the remainder is 15, and it can't be divided anymore. So the hexadecimal of this decimal number is 9, and we can't write 15, we will have to write F. You need to practice this lesson more and more, then you will understand perfectly. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. I hope you have liked my video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.